In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use customized cutout in CapCut PC. We're focusing on CapCut's customized cutout feature, which lets you precisely remove or keep parts of your video using smart tools. This is great for isolating a subject, cleaning up an automatic background removal, or creating a stylized look with selective visibility. Start with your project open in the editor. Look down at the timeline and click the video clip you want to work on. When a clip is selected, its properties appear on the top right of the screen. Make sure you're on the Video tab. Within that panel, switch to the Remove BG section. Here, you'll find an option called Custom Removal. Enable it by checking the box. This tells CapCut you want to manually guide the background removal instead of relying on a fully automatic cutout. Once Custom Removal is on, you can choose between two tools. Smart Brush lets you highlight the subject or any areas you want to keep. Smart Erase removes areas the brush mistakenly included. Think of it as a pair of refined tools that work together: brush to include, erase to exclude. Before you start, adjust the brush or eraser size so it matches the level of detail you need. A larger size is faster for broad areas, while a smaller size helps when tracing edges like hair, hands, or fine objects. Now paint directly over the part of the video you want to keep or cut out. Move steadily, and don't worry if the first pass isn't perfect. You can refine with Smart Erase to clean up any overselections. Take your time around complex edges for the cleanest result. When you release the brush or eraser, look at the right panel. You'll see an AI process indicator with a percentage showing how much has been processed. The time this takes depends on the complexity and size of your selection, so give it a moment to finish. When processing is complete, click. Apply on the right panel. This confirms your customized cutout and updates the clip in your timeline. You should now see your video with the precise cutout reflected in the preview, matching the areas you chose to keep or remove. If you notice small imperfections, you can reselect the clip, return to the custom removal tools, and refine with additional brush or erase passes, then apply again. And that's it. With custom removal in CapCut PC, you're in full control of your cutouts, combining smart automation with manual precision for clean professional results.